Good morning to you, welcome. It's Monday and the first video of the week is all about the DWP checking bank accounts that they obviously want to do, and now that they've done it in a sort of a test case, they've discovered that it was actually correct in order to go and look at people's bank accounts, because they did 713,000 checks. This was one anonymous bank that was identified that accounts had that they were receiving universal credit, pension credit or ESA. Over a 3-month period, it found that 60,000 accounts had too much money in them for the individuals to continue to receive benefits. In another 3,000 accounts, there was evidence of abroad fraud, where the account holder was either living overseas or going on holiday for longer than is permitted. Accounts were checked for signs of being accessed from another country for more than 4 weeks in a row. So they've done these checks that they wanted to get into law, and obviously they've been proven right that there is actually a lot of people breaking the rules, unfortunately, and of course it's justified their actions. That's the DWP, by the way, not the people. So this is a test case, and only one bank. I mean, you know, there are, how many high street banks are there? But they've actually asked 2 high street banks to test this trial, and obviously the main one there, they're not going to announce, because obviously people will then be up in arms, GDPR and things like that. Basically, the banks are giving the DWP this information. Obviously, they can actually determine if you are getting benefit money, because it does say on your bank statement, it does say where it comes from. So, for example, yeah, we get ESA, it will say ESA, blah blah blah. Usually. That's not always the case, but it does say that sometimes. So 60,000 out of 713. And I'm going to do a quick calculation, and I'll put that on screen, what percentage that is, because I don't think it's very high. 713,000. And obviously a small percentage of those, 3,000, are either living abroad or they're going on holiday abroad for longer than the period of time that they're allowed. Bear in mind that PIP is not included in that, because PIP, you are allowed to go abroad for 3 months. That's something that people don't realise. I mean, the problem is when you run other benefits, that's where the issue comes in. Anyway, so yeah, so they've sort of been justified in what they were doing. Of course, this sort of proves the point, doesn't it? Yeah. So that's the story today. Have a good day. Catch you later.